how to fix Instagram problem on Android or iPhone. First, go to Play Store, and here just see if there's an update for your Instagram, and then just update your Instagram. And if you can't find any update here, go to settings, and if you have an Android phone, go to apps, and then click Instagram. Now click permissions, give it all of those permissions here, and click force stop, and go to storage, clear cache. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now come back here and click clear data. You will lose your accounts, but that will fix your problem. And if you have an iOS phone, just go to your app store and then uninstall Instagram and install it again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.